everyone, it's Alan over at Cobblers Plus in Denver here, and today's one of our first videos, official videos of our daily posts. And these posts we're going to be talking about different things from shoe care products to accessories to news in our industry and what's going on at our shop. But I wanted to start out with one of our favorite products, one of your most important products if you're somebody who's new to taking care of your own footwear, high quality footwear, or if you're just enjoying doing it yourself. One of the most important ones is your conditioning products, obviously. Now, in today's video, we're going to be talking about Saphir in particular. Saphir is our favorite one here at the shop. It's a favorite amongst a lot of avid shoe enthusiasts, cobblers, shoemakers, and leather experts even too, and shine patina guys. All of them, they love Saphir. There is a little bit of a, hate towards Saphir just because it's starting to blow up and they're saying, oh, it's just a hype. There's a reason why Saphir has been the best in the world. They've won multiple medals and awards, so they are the best hands down. They use all natural ingredients, so none of that harsh chemicals or conditioning agents. So you're definitely going to be in the right hands if you're using a Saphir product. Now, Saphir does have three major names or brandings. They have their Avail line, which is not very common or popular here, at least in North America, also known as Avil, some people pronounce it. And then they've got their Saphir Beauty Cure, short is BDC. So if you're new to it or are aware of Saphir in particular but you don't know what BDC is, it's Beauty de Cure, and you'll see that in forums and groups and enthusiast pages and all that kind of stuff. And then there is on their high end, which is their gold label, the Saphir Medal Duo. Some people say Medal Dior, which I did for quite some time, but it's pronounced Medal Duo, which is kind of hard to say if you're not bilingual or anything like that. Thankfully I am. But the Medal Duo in particular, that's their gold label. The Beauty Cure, the BDC, is their blue label, and then the Avail is kind of like the parent company, in other words, or the parent line at least. For the Medal Dior, obviously, you'll see it in short MDO. So if you ever see that kind of posted in a comment section somewhere or somebody asking about it, MDO's Medal Dior, which is the higher one. Now, for the conditioner that we're going to be talking about today, this is the Saphir Renovateur. They do have one in each, the BDC and the MDO line, and there are some key differences. Some people are not aware of it, some people are completely oblivious to it, and some people just don't care. But for those of you who do care, and those of you who are really wanting to get into caring for your footwear properly and maintaining it very well and extending the life expectancy, the Renovator Cream is a must-have for your arsenal of shoe care and leather care products. It is a must. It's your bread and butter. It's your, if you were to pick only one product, this would be it basically. And without further ado, we'll talk a little bit about the products themselves. So both of these here, they are water-based. So that water is going to be great to help kind of clean and just maybe help get in there in some nooks and crannies and remove any kind of dirt or anything like that. It's not a strong cleaning agent that may be silicone based or turpentine or alcohol or acetone. So it's nice and gentle. Don't expect it to really remove heavy staining or anything like that. It'll just do a nice gentle cleaning. Then the other key ingredient is mink oil. Mink oil is going to help restore the nutrients, condition it thoroughly, and just make that leather last longer. And that's one of the most important things, is to help that leather last longer. And both of them also have beeswax in there. Beeswax is going to help give you that shine and shimmer. It's going to give a bit of a protective coating as well, and give you your wax-based coat if you're planning to take the next step up to shining your shoes and bring out more of a shine. You do want a base to it, so this is a great starter for it. Now, the next ingredients is where you come into the difference between these two right here. The Medal Duo in particular, which is in this square jar right here, this one has added lanolin in it, and it's a little more refined. Lanolin is a little bit of a more expensive conditioning agent. It's a little bit finer, so it can actually get into certain exotic leathers better, where there's no pores in it. It's not very porous structure, or it's very tight structured basically. So that's one of the reasons why a lot of gentlemen like to, and ladies too, and love to go for the Medal Dior in particular, where this one right here doesn't have those ingredients. The other key thing, obviously you can see the different shapes, one's square, one's round. Well, the difference is the size. This one is 75 mil in the Medal Duo, this one is 50 mil. So that's kind of where you get that price difference as well, is the size on it. Now, when you end up ordering it in, you're gonna end up getting the Medal Duo like this as is, and sometimes maybe wrapped up in something to protect it, or the BDC one, you'll get in a box like this. It comes with a little nice cotton shine chamois like that to apply, which is great. So just to let you know, but every time, I'd like to let everyone know, always have a set of horsehair brushes, 2 is a minimum, to help bring out that shine or kind of remove any excess amounts of creams or any of that waxes too. So definitely have your set of horsehair brushes to buff it up afterwards. But anyways, that's for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Like and comment if you have any questions down below. Give any kind of recommendations as well. And stay tuned for tomorrow's episode as well. And we'll see you then.